So hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. Today's video is quite different to our usual one. And reason being that it's actually not a sewing tutorial, a pattern drafting, or even fashion and style. Okay, so now today's video is how to ride a manual machine, because I got a lot of questions about that, and even as a beginner and even as a advanced student. Okay, and reason being that the reason why they face the difficulties is that they are actually trained with a tabletop machine and with an industrial machine. But don't worry, today's video has got you covered, because I'm going to be teaching us how to pass a thread properly. Okay, if you are a beginner out there and you're just starting this fashion stuff, this tailoring work, this is actually helpful for you. If you're just getting your sewing machine, I can teach you how to pass it and how to ride it. Don't worry. So guys, if this sounds like something you want to know, can you please subscribe, hit on the notification bell, like, share and subscribe, and please don't want to turn on post notification in case if I post any new video, you'll be the very first person to see it. And guys, this is not just my first video. You can go ahead and check sewing tutorials and pattern drafting, because we actually have a lot of sewing tutorial and even pattern drafting, be it beginners, be it intermediate, be it advanced. It's right on my channel. So I'm going to be helping you by dropping one or two link to the sewing tutorial and to the pattern drafting on the description box. Okay, so guys, if you are interested in that, you can do well to check it out, and please subscribe. So now guys, without further ado, let's dive right into the main video. And mind you, don't mind my voice, don't mind my mood today, because I'm actually having a bit of cold and catarrh, so I'm so sorry. Okay, so now let's dive right into the main video. So now guys, this is what we're going to be needing to pass our manual machine. Okay, we're going to need a thread. This is actually called a reeler. So we are getting a new manual machine. This actually comes with this, and this actually comes with this as well. So you don't need to buy it, except if it gets points, then you can go ahead and buy it. But this doesn't come with it. Okay, you go ahead and get your thread yourself. Okay, then you're going to reel this to your thread as well. I'm going to be showing us how to reel our thread in this as well. Okay, but this is just the basics. So if you know how to ride your machine very well properly, you know how to reel your reeler, which is this is the reeler, and this is called shuttle. Yeah, this is shuttle and this is reeler. Shuttle, reeler. Okay, so now for this particular video, we are actually working with only sewing machine, so I don't need to show my face. Permit me with that. So I'm going to be showing you the top here before showing us the wheel. Okay, so now when you want to sew this, you must have your thread. This is my thread right here. Then I'm going to go ahead. There is something here on your sewing machine that stands as stick here. I can call it a stick. Okay, the sewing machine, it stands as a stick, right? So now this is where your thread will be sitting on. Okay, if you notice that in some cases some people put their thread on the floor, the reason is that there is not this holder there again. So if you have this, you go ahead and place your thread. You place your thread on this, as you see. So then after that, remember we are going to be working with this short too, but I'm going to leave this aside, then work on this one first, the upper one first. Then we are going to be working on the downward later. Okay, so after you placing your thread on this stick, yes, I call it a stick, on the stand. Okay, you can go ahead and make your thread straight like this, or I'm actually comfortable with this. Go ahead and twist your thread this way. So if you make it straight and if you twist it doesn't affect anything. It's still the same process. Afterwards, you're going to sew what you want. So now go ahead and twist it, or you put it straight. So then, if you notice something here, this part, so I forgot what I call this actually, but this part that looks like, what can I call this? Like this sharp point. Can you see? Okay. Can you see? So I can actually move this point. So this point. So after putting your thread to this opening, there is one place here that is kind of open. You put your thread here, then you bring it into this part, to this sharp part. Okay, so this sharp part must actually be facing you, must actually be facing this direction towards the camera, direction towards my hand. Okay, not that this way. Okay, because it's facing this direction towards my hand. Then you go ahead and bring your thread and put it inward. Can you see? You put it inward. You roll it to the to this place. Then you put it here. Can you see? Let me repeat this again. You make sure that your thread is passing through this place. You put it inward. You roll it. Then you bring it this way. All right. So now the next thing I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to cut out this. I want a very sharp edge of this thread. So then I'm going to place it inside this place, inside this point. Your thread should actually follow these points. Okay, you place it inward this way. Can you see? Then you can go ahead and put it directly to your needle. Okay, so you cut it so that you can have a very sharp edge. You place it to that middle point, to your mid, to the mouth of your needle. Okay, so the upper part of our sewing of this manual machine is set. Like we've actually set a thread for this upper part manual machine. All right. So now the next thing we are going to do, this is our reeler. I'm gonna add to reel some thread into these points. Okay. Then I'm going to place this inside of my shuttle. All right. Then I'm going to go ahead and let me repeat this. Place it inside. If you notice there is an opening here, okay, bring your thread to that opening part, okay. Then you bring it. You make sure that your thread passes through these points, okay. Then you bring it this way, like so. All right. Then you're going to place it to the down part of your manual machine. So now, guys, I went ahead to position my camera so that you can see the down part of our manual machine, okay. So remember how I taught you this one? You put it inward. There is a point here, okay. You put it here. Okay, sorry, I'm trying to find a place where you can see it very well. So this is the opening I'm talking about. You place it this way, okay. So it's going to come out here. So then to place this shuttle, so everything now is shuttle, okay. So to place this shuttle underneath your sewing machine now, you have to remove this point. So you can go ahead and remove it like this. So you're going to place it this way, okay. Then you're going to put it inward to your shuttle. So you're going to place it this way and put it inward. Can you see this point? This point here, you bring one hand underneath, like you put one hand underneath your sewing machine, not this way. If you can do it this way, fine. But so that you can see it, bring this hand under here, okay. Can you see my hand? So you bring this hand where your shuttle is and put this, like you insert this opening to this point, okay. Then you put it here like this, like so. Then make sure that this point, okay, this point, let me call this cap. So this point must actually enter this opening, okay. So you are going to put it inward and press. Can you see it's intact? So then you can go ahead and close this up, and to bring that down thread up, you're going to place it that way. Then you bring your needle inward, okay, and drag this. So then can you see? So now you can go ahead and start sewing. So guys, this has brought us to the end of the video. If this was actually helpful, can you please subscribe, like, and share? And do well to check my sewing tutorials and pattern drafting out. You're going to love them. And they are training styles too. So guys, I'll be saying goodbye from here. See you guys in my next one. I love you all. Bye.